Hey guys, hey kittles. So welcome back to my channel. So sorry if you cannot hear me, and sorry about the lightings and the background are very ugly, but I don't care. So this video is just a short vlog. It's super short vlog because I just want to make a weekly squishes video again, but this is a weekly squishy vlog because I ordered another squishy at our at our school, but I don't think that my order they didn't buy it because we won't know, but we will know tomorrow. So I don't know why I'm giggling. So today is Sunday and it is 11:37 p.m. here at the Philippines, here at Pampanga, here at the right, here at Brazil, here. So I know why am I so joyful today? I'm very tired. Oh, I'm so nervous. I hope she bought it. I hope. Sorry about that. I'm so good. So I'm very clever. So I made a squishy, but I didn't make a video of it because I was trying acrylic paint, and it smelled bad, and it is slow rising, but it doesn't rise up back again. Like, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't have it here, so I'm excited to see this plastic once again. If I have my new screen, I'm so nervous. I hope I got it. And thank you so much for the 50 subscribers, guys. I love you all so much, my kittles. Thank you for 50 kittles. I love you all. So yeah, I love you all so much, and all of you are part of my heart, and all of you are my best kittles and best subscribers at all. Best friends. We are all best friends here, and we are all family here at my channel. So if you're new to my channel, just click like and subscribe to this video and to this channel. Then you're part of my heart. You're part of the gang, in the kittle gang. So sorry if I'm not making a lot of video today because I'm busy. We are going on weekends like Baywalk, and I will surely make some video of it when we come there. So yeah, read this. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything that you have done for my channel. Bye guys.